Alright, look, I take this deck, it's really normal cards, and now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, cards face up, cards face down. Face up, face down, and shuffle like this. It's really cool. And maybe cut like this. Why not? And next step, spectator stop anytime. Maybe you stop me here. It's really free. You remember these cards. Your cards. Oh, I'm sorry. Your cards, 5 of diamonds. It's really free. Your cards, 5 of diamonds. Put me here like this. Yes, it's really crazy. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this. Face up, face down. Snap my finger. Like this, and now full deck cards face up, and one card is really one card face down. It's really crazy. Please name your cards. Spectator, name your cards. Of course, your card 5 of diamonds. It's really crazy because I take this deck, take this your cards, and now full deck red. It's really crazy because one card is 5 of diamonds blue. It's really crazy. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy card trick. Yes guys, it's really unbelievable triumph because you change full deck. It's really crazy, it's really unbelievable effects, and now I teach you this really crazy card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and now I teach you really crazy card trick. Let's learn. So first you make a little setup. You take full red deck, you take 2 blue back cards, and take 1 blue box, right? And now your setup look like this. You take a full deck, it's really normal cards, it's really normal deck. And now you take these 2 blue cards and take 1 card, putting her like this, alright? And 1 card turn over and putting her like this. It's really easy setup. 1 blue card face up, 1 blue card face down like this. And this deck, putting her your box and close this box like this. Alright. Of course you remember your cards, take these cards like this, because you take these cards like this, it's cards face up. Alright. You remember these cards like this and squeeze. So it's really easy setup. Yes, it's really true. Alright, and next step, you take this deck, you maybe spin these cards like this, turn over this deck like this, open this box and take this deck like this, and this box drop it like this. And next step, you shuffle these cards. How? Look, you take this deck like this, and now you make move it like this. You take a little pile, and now you make move it like this. You turn over this to pile like this, alright? Look, and don't show it this red back. Don't show it like this, because it's really no cool trick, right? Look, I take this deck, and now take little pile, and turn over like this, alright? And next step, you make a shuffle. You make a shuffle these cards, you make a furrow like this. Of course, you save it and control it. This 1 blue cards and this 1 blue cards. Alright? I repeat. I repeat. Alright, I repeat. Make move it like this. And make a shuffle and control it. These blue cards and these blue cards. And now you show this full cards face up. And next step, you make a shuffle like this. Of course, you set up like this. 1 card, this is blue, and 1 card's blue like this. Alright. And next step, you make a swing cut and make a break, and this pile drop it your break and save it your break. Alright? It's really easy. Look, make a swing cut, make a break, save it your break like this. Alright. And next step, you force this card. Spectator stop anytime, maybe here. You take your break and show it these cards. Of course, this is back, it's no cards. And next step, you take these cards and show it like this. Of course, this is 5 of diamonds. Spectator, remember these cards, alright. And next step, you squeeze these cards like this, drop it, make a break, and save it your break and drop it this pile. Of course, you save it your break like this. Right. And next step, you take this deck your right hand like this. Make move it your left hand like this. And next step, you make a swing cut. And this pile, drop it like this and show it face up, face down, face up. Right? Right. Squeeze, snap your finger, and now you make a spread. You show it full deck. Oh, this one card's face down. Take these cards like this, make a cards, and now one random card schools this spread like this, and make move it like this, and cover it your blue cards like this. Take this one card, drop it, spectator name your card, 5 of diamonds, snap your finger. Wow, it's really crazy, 5 of diamonds, it's really, yes, it's really crazy. And now you turn over, take this deck, turn over, and show it full deck red. Of course, you don't show it like this. You make a spread like this. It's really crazy because it's really full deck red. Yes. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.